going to explain the purpose of compressive strength tests in this video. So a compressive strength test for a concrete measures the maximum amount of load that a specimen can withstand before it actually fractures under compression. Essentially, it determines the resistance to crushing. So this is typically performed by placing a cylindrical concrete sample in a compression machine that gradually applies pressure until it fails. So a compressive strength test is normally done 7 days and 28 days after concrete has been poured. This is done to see the difference at 7 days and 28 days as it relates to the concrete strength. Also to let you know, at 7 days, a concrete is normally cured around 70%, and at 28 days, it's normally around 99%. But after that, it still continues to harden over time. As it relates to my project, we have 2 different types of PSI that we require. So for the slab, we require a 3000 PSI reading, and for the shear wall, the columns, and for the pad foundations, and also the strip foundations, we require a PSI of 4000. So what you're seeing now is the compressive strength test results for the shear wall, columns, and pad foundations. So looking at the 7 days, you can see that it almost reaches the 4000 PSI. Some of them actually surpasses the 4000 PSI for the 7-day test. So more than likely, it definitely passes for the 28 days test. Whenever concrete has been poured, it is very important to cure the concrete, meaning that you should always keep the concrete wet by laying a mat or always pouring water over the concrete. This is because the concrete gets really hot when curing. So to get the best results, it's always best to make sure that the concrete is wet or damp. So as you can see in this diagram, if this is not done properly, it can introduce hairline cracks in the structure. So I hope you got a better understanding of compressive strength tests, of what to look out for on site and when you're also in the lab, what to do and what not to do.